Fidget toy check. I got all my fidget toys here to show you them. So, are you ready? Because I am. So number one, I have this. This is very fun to play with. You could squish it and it just floats up. I'll show you. Wait. See that? Yeah, so this is very fun to play with when you're bored and when you have anxiety and when you're mad and you had a bad day at school or at ballet or anywhere, okay? So yeah, anyway, so yeah, this is very fun. And yeah, you can squish it and it bounces up. So satisfying to see it. Like, I'm going to punch it. Then right here, like, I don't think it's doing it now, but yeah, that was my number one. Let's just move that out of the way. Okay. Next we have this. I got this from school. And this is, yeah, and I like this because it's scented. Smell it. It smells like I'm smelling textures. It smells really good. And guess what? I'm taking my bunny to the beach tomorrow. I'm gonna put a little flower crown on her. And so I have. It smells so good. Smell it. Oh, yum. And yeah, it's so nice to play with. I just love it, you know. Oh, that smells so good. Anyways, here's what it looks like. It's red. I already showed you what it looks like, but I don't care. Oh my god, it smells so divine. Wow. Okay, that was number 2 of my fidget toys pack thingies. Yep, that's done. And next I have is this one. These are very fun to play with. I keep on playing them every day. I play with them every day. And I love them so much because you can stretch it and it's goes apart and it smells really good and it's so fun. It's like foam. It's foam and you can just stretch it apart. Yeah, this is why I love it so much. Anyway, so yeah, I really love this. Okay, and I'm done with that. Okay, now I've done that, so I haven't posted a video for a little while because yeah, I got bored. I actually got distracted by my iPad by playing high heels. Anyways, so next I have is this. I absolutely love this. Also, but guys, happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, guys. it's Mother's Day, and Mother's Day is a time where you give your mum stuff like that. And yeah, it's where you give your mum presents, give them a card, give them a teddy bear, or literally everything, or like, yeah, anything. And yeah, but let's just continue. So we have this pea popper. It's a pea popper, and it's so fun to play with. And you can like pop it up because it's so cute because they have a face on. Wait, let me see if they have faces on. They do. I'll show you. Do you see it? It has a face. Do you see the face? It's like, hi. And these are so fun because there are pea poppers, and like, you know, you can pop them up. They're like, there's like saying hi. I love them so much. I play them every day too. Okay, now that's finished, I have this. This is a glow in the dark one. I can't do it right now because it's not nighttime, because maybe next time when I post the video. Okay, so yeah. It's like a cake. Oh, it's like a cake, like stick, like. I absolutely hate this one because it smells and it feels so disgusting. Like literally. It's so gross. Ew. Okay, you know what? I'm putting this back. I hate this one. I can't talk to this one because I feel too sick to do it. Because that one's disgusting. Sorry. Sorry, because that was disgusting. Okay, what was that? Anyways, I have this. It's fun to play with. It's fun to play with when you have anxiety and stuff like that. And you can like pop it up and it's much. And it's so colourful, you know? Okay. Yay! When you're feeling sad or like any emotion. Oh, I feel like I just want to sleep with my mom now, but I have to do this video for you guys because I haven't posted in a while. I have to do it. I believe in myself. Like the video if anyways, I was joking, I'm a little bit sick, kind of, but yeah. Next, I have this. It's a slinky. Of course, you guys know what it is. It's so much fun. And you like you can like stretch it out. Whee! Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. And guess what? I'm going to the dentist on Monday. And I don't want to go to the dentist because he'll hurt me. I mean, he's just a dentist. I'm 9 years old, you know, but please like the video to give me good luck. Give me good luck, guys. I'm going to the dentist on Monday. Yeah, so this is very fun to play with. You can like stretch it out. You can stretch it. And it goes like how far it can go, like it can like reach from the side of your fence to the other side of your fence. That would be weird. It's okay, I didn't break it. Anyways, next one. Now it's time for my puppets. Yeah, so first I have this one. It's a round purple thing. And it's fun to play with, and it's like so much fun, these puppets, because they sound amazing. Go get them online or at the shops. They are so fun. These are one of my favorites so far. So yeah, I really like them. I cannot stop playing with them. Like, even when my mum tells me to go to bed, she says, Ayla, stop playing with your puppet. You're not feeling sad or anything. But I don't care because it's still fun to play with. You can still play with it even though you're not like any emotional, and you can do it if you're happy too. You can do it like any emotional, like any when you're shocked by something and you're scared and you want to play with it, and if you're angry or sad or anything like that. And yeah, these puppets are so much fun. I have actually 2 of them and I really want more of them because they are so much fun. I want more. Oh my god. No, I can't stop playing with them. I can probably play with it for the rest of the video, but I don't want to. I'll do it after the video. So next, I have this. This is also one of my favorites of the puppets. This is actually my favorite because it's more better than the circle because it's a shape. This is actually a great shape. And I really love it. I actually really love it. It's so much fun. You can do it with any emotion. I've said that 100 times. Yeah, this is really fun. You can play with it with any emotion. Okay, move on to the next one. Okay, so next I have this one. I hate this slime. I don't know. But my mum got this for me. It's a mermaid slime. And I hate it. And I don't know why she got me it. I kind of love it and hate it at the same time because it's sparkly and pretty. But it smells horrible, and the glitter sticks to my hands. It's so annoying. I'll show you. You see it? Wait. I absolutely. You see it now? See? Do you see that glitter right there? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. I'll never play with this slime. I might trade it with someone else. Get in there! It's too fat to fit in this little thing. Okay, we're done that. I hate that slime. I hate like nearly all of them, but I love this slime. I love these. This is like my 3rd favorite. And because I like it, it's because it's stretchy, fluffy, but it sticks to your hand. So that's the thing that I don't like. Oh, never mind. Anyways. How do I open this? Okay guys, there was a unicorn in this, and I had to find the unicorn in this, and I found it, which is good, and yay, I can open it. So my mum and dad hates messy fidget toys because they can make a mess. My mum and dad doesn't like messes everywhere, like literally everywhere. Whoops, I made a mess here. But my mom and dad can't get in my room because I locked the door right now in this room so I can be quiet and peaceful and relax. And after this, do you want to watch me play Just Dance? Because I'm a very good dancer. I'll tell you my secrets of my YouTube channel. If you like and subscribe. If I get to 70 subscribers, I'll do Just Dance, okay? If I get to 70 subscribers, get me there. Because I really want to get to 70 subscribers. Okay. And yeah, I would love that. And also this slime is very fun, but it's also very bad because it sticks joints. A little bit. Did you hear that? Yes, a little bit. Also, I also have a triple candy weapon. And if I also get to 70 subscribers, I'll show you that triple candy weapon. Okay? Yeah. Just get me to 70 subscribers now. Otherwise, I won't do Just Dance, and I won't show you my triple candy weapon. I'm stuck. Oh, I'm alive. I accidentally fought. Anyways, next one. Okay, last but not least, me squishy. It's a hamburger. Oh, and I can even sleep on this as my pillow. Yeah, so this is fun to play with. You can also play with it if you are emotional. All of them are for like playing, and if you're emotional. Yeah, those are all my fidget toys. And this is so squishy. Anyways, bye guys. That was all. Get me to 70 subscribers. Get me to 70 subscribers. Now? Okay. Good. And now we'll do, and I'll show you my triple candy weapon. And I'll do just this for you guys. 2021. Yes! I think I've done a video of 2021. I actually did, I think. So I think go check that one out. I need a... So, do a little bit of magic there. Okay, I'm done. Bye.